Hi, I'm Chef Chris with Land O'Lakes Culinary Center. Making cheese sauce in-house is a point of pride for many chefs, myself included. Maybe you're like me and didn't want to bring in a cheese sauce, but still wanted an easy solution for house-made sauces. Let's see how Land O'Lakes cheese products can help. Our extra melt, Hilldale, and golden velvet American loaves are great options for your house-made cheese sauces. These processed loaves have great dairy flavor and can help you make your menu stand out and help you and your staff expedite the cheese sauce process. Making your own custom cheese sauces out of these products is easy as can be. Just unwrap the loaf, cut into 1 to 2 inch chunks, add to your pot or steam kettle with your own custom ingredients. You can easily make a Tex-Mex inspired queso with some salsa, chorizo, and cilantro. Or you can make a savory dip with some bacon, scallions, and just a touch of hot sauce. Heat gently until melted and all the products have reached a temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit and you're ready for service. Not to mention, extra melt and Hilldale American loaves can be sliced for topping hot sandwiches and burgers, therefore reducing the number of products you need to bring in and reducing the number of SKUs in your walk-in. Making your recipes in-house is important to you, and we get that. Let us help by providing you with some great products so you can maintain that integrity and make great cheese sauces for your customers.